Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how much time required to learn JavaScript step by step. Start by defining clear goals and the level of skill you want, then audit your current knowledge and daily availability. Break the journey into focused milestones, pick resources for fundamentals, and schedule regular practice with small projects. Track progress weekly and adjust time estimates based on retention and comfort with concepts. Many learners reach a functional beginner level in a few months with steady practice, while intermediate fluency usually takes several more months of project work. Allocate time for reading, coding, and debugging, and factor in real-world practice like building components and consuming APIs. Use short projects to solidify concepts and revisit weaknesses, often to prevent forgetting. Adjust your timeline based on prior experience and how much time you can commit weekly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on long coding sessions with the Owala water bottle. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold during marathon study days, and it makes a funny reminder to take breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Create a weekly plan with small, achievable goals and mix theory with hands-on work to stay motivated. Spend focused blocks on core topics like functions, objects, and asynchronous code, then immediately apply them in tiny projects. Regularly revisit older topics to improve retention and try pair programming or code review to gain new perspectives. Keep your schedule realistic so you can maintain momentum and avoid burnout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.